Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set side key, that is power key, to end calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Suppose if you are in a call, whether incoming call or outgoing call, while call in progress, if you want to cut the call, just simply you can use side key to end calls. So you can make sure that your call is cut. Usually you will use the soft key, that is a cut button in the screen, but sometimes if you missed it, call will be in the progress, and you will not realize it. Okay, suppose after that, if you speak something personal, that can be leaked to the call, leaked to the person who are in the call. Okay, so for proper proper cutting of the call, just use side key, so it'll be easy to cut and you can make sure that your call is cut. Okay, so for that, first go to the settings and go to dialer and go to this the vertical dots, click on settings here and go to answering and ending calls, and just turn on this button, press side key to end calls. And now hereafter you can use power button to cut the call. I receive a call and I attend the call. The call is in progress, and after conversation, to cut the call, you can make sure that you can easily cut the call using this button. Okay, side key, call is cut. Okay, so it'll be properly cut. Okay, instead of soft key, you can use this hard key as well. See here, answer, and usually you will use this button. Okay, this red color button to cut the call. Suppose if you have missed to press touch, okay, so touch is not sensitive, then call will be in progress, and maybe your personal speech may be leaked to the person who are in the call. Okay, so to avoid those controversy, to avoid those such situation, just you can use this feature, very cool feature, that is using side key to cut the call. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.